Okay, December 23rd, 2019. This is worth making a video. As you'll see, I've used the foam ceiling tiles in a couple rooms. This is one of them. Ordered this stuff around July, and then I probably did this install around, August, early September. And then I used the adhesive recommended by Amazon, this guy. It's the PL300 Foamboard construction adhesive. Blah blah blah. I just happen to have a tube of it left, and you can see the color of it, light blue. So you can look at this tile that has just fallen down in the past few days and see it's the same color. So I've used this stuff in a lot of this area, and you can see there's no shortage of spots that I used on the back of each tile. However, it's come loose. You can actually see the marks from the glue on the back of the tile, but it didn't stick, and I'm kind of wondering why now, and I'm wondering how many more tiles are going to be falling off this ceiling in the next month or year or whenever. So that's my situation. I cannot remember. I can't honestly recommend this product, and I'm going to take it up with the manufacturer as well as the tile manufacturer and see if we can't get a definite answer on why this happened and what either or both of them are going to do to fix the issue. Alright, that's the way it is. Thank you.